Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome to my channel. In my last video, I mentioned that I do 2 protective styles on my sister's hair each month. Generally, I alternate between a protective style with weave and her natural hair. She had the Fulani braids in the last time, so this time I'm going to just do a simple protective style with her natural hair. So her hair is already washed, it's detangled, it's deep conditioned, all of that good stuff. If you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it above in the cards, or you can check the description box. It will be there as well. So we're just going to get into the parting right now. So I'm parting her hair in 4 sections. This just makes it really easy for me to go in and just do my thing. So the entire back section will be mini twists, and then the 2 side sections, those will be braided upwards into like a Mohawk type style. And that top middle section will be mini twists as well, going towards her face. Alright guys, so I split that back section in half to get started on her mini twist. The product that I'll be using for her mini twists is the Argan Oil Twist and Curl Pudding. I love this stuff, you guys. I use it every time I do her mini twist because it does a really good job of moisturizing her hair. It also elongates her twists so her twists don't shrink up a whole lot. It keeps them nice, long, and flowy. So I do use Shine and Jam on her parts. You guys will see that in a later clip. But for the mini twist, I'm just going to take a little bit of that Argan Oil Twist and Curl Pudding, and I'm going to start twisting. But I like to plait the root of her hair first. For me, this just makes the mini twist look so much neater. The roots are always really nice and flat, and I just plait about maybe an inch, and then I go ahead and just twist the rest. As mentioned before, I do use Shine and Jam to perfect her parts. Y'all, this is a game changer when it comes to the neatness of any type of braiding hairstyle. For the two side sections, you can do any braiding pattern that you'd like. For me, I just made sure that the braids were going upwards and that it ended in the middle of her head. The reason being is because I wanted her to have a mohawk type style. Once I got to the end of the braid, I did use the argan oil twist and curl put in to twist the remainder of her hair. For the front section of her hair, I am doing mini twists. As I mentioned before, I start by braiding the root and then I proceed with a twist. So now that we are all done, I am going to go ahead with my Style Factor Edge Booster and slick down her edges. So I'm adding a few jewelry pieces just to give her hair a little bit more pizzazz. And also, you know, I got to go with my aloe vera oil, you guys. I know I talk about this oil in every video, but it is the truth, y'all. I stand by this oil. I use it, my mom uses it, and I use it on my baby sister's hair. And our hair has been growing like wildfire. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I will link it above in the cards and in my description box, and you guys can check it out. So these are the final results. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment. I respond to every comment. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.